Okay, and one of the things that make it higher its price because it has a launcher and a reaper. Yeah, or a ripcord. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So again, we'll have an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle of this Beyblade next time. So we'll have a test battle with a BX line, then we'll have a battle with its own UX lines, and then another battle for our CX lines. Okay, so you can comment down there if which Beyblade that I have that you want me to battle with this Beyblade. Okay, so for now guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button for our next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz and up, and Governor Show saying off. Let's go. More Beyblade X and Gunpla videos and vlogs next time. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go.